Hey everybody, it's Henry's house. I'm going to show you how to make Harissa lamb mince kebabs. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to do this recipe based on 1 kilo of lamb mince, and I'm using an 80% meat to 20% fat ratio for this. So we'll set this aside for now, and we're going to make our mixture in a separate bowl. So just into a small bowl, we're going to start by adding in 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm just using canola oil for this. And to this we're going to add about half a tablespoon of salt, about 1 tablespoon of dry chili flakes. Now if you want to use fresh chili you can, just substitute this with about 3 red chilies. 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of ground caraway seeds, and about 3 crushed garlic cloves. Now we just want to mix this together and combine it well. Now the reason I'm mixing it in a separate bowl is so we can combine it well. If we add all this straight to the mince, we're going to get different flavors in different parts of it. It won't be completely combined properly. Okay, so that's ready to go. So we'll just bring our lamb mince back. Now we want to break it up as well, just so it's easier to combine them. And we'll add our mix straight in and get it all out. And all we're going to do now is mix it all together. Alright, so once you're happy with that, just bring it back into a bowl. And we're just going to cover this with some cling wrap, place it into the fridge for around 4 hours or even overnight. And then we can come back and cook it. So guys, to skewer this, I'm going to use my long metal white skewers like so. You would have seen me do this in a lot of my other videos. So basically we'll need our meat, and we'll need just a bowl of warm water here. So all we're going to do is moisten our hands, get about a handful of our meat mixture, just against the bowl, roll it into a perfect sphere, or try to get it as perfect as you can at least. And then we're just going to squeeze it and turn it into a cylinder, like that. And we'll get our skewer and we want to push it straight onto the center like that. And then using our thumb, push down and push the meat straight onto the skewer. Turn it around, repeat. Turn it around one more time and repeat. You want to make sure you're pushing hard to seal the meat onto the skewer. And just take off the excess like that, and make sure it's locked at the top too. So there we go, that's all we need to do. Now if you don't want to do that, you can put this on wooden bamboo skewers any way you like, or into a frying pan, that's up to you. So we'll just continue doing that for now. In the meantime, we'll start to preheat our grill. Alright, so moving on to our grill, go ahead and place our skewer straight on. So guys, after about 30 seconds, we'll flip our skewers. What this does is starts to seal the meat onto the skewer. After another 30 seconds, we'll flip it again. And basically we've just sealed the meat onto the skewer, so we're reducing the chances of it falling off now. So basically all we need to do now is every 30 seconds flip it until it's cooked all the way through. This should only take about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright guys, so once you have a beautiful brown colour like that, we're ready to serve. So just on the side here I've got some simple pilaf rice. We'll bring our skewers from the top, push down, and from the bottom push all the way up. Once again, push down from the top and push off from the bottom. Alright guys, and that's all there is to it. Just look how beautiful that looks. I hope you like that guys. Please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.